Good afternoon, Halton Court Services.
Hello, Halton Court Services. I have a quick question with regards to early resolution, meet with the prosecutor.
Yes.
I was wondering who would I talk to regarding that?
What is it you're calling about, like setting one up?
Yeah, setting one up or talking to a, Crown prosecutor.
Oh, no, you don't. You have to choose an option on the back of the ticket, and then an early resolution date is mailed out to you.
Well, no, there was a letter sent that says I can call this number, and I'm calling it, so...
Do you have a scheduled early resolution, sir?
It's ma'am, actually, no. I just have this from the Ontario Court of Justice, Provincial Offences Office.
Okay. What is the ticket number?
Sir, I'm not ready to give that out yet. What I do need to talk to is, more importantly, this officer has committed fraud by using a legal name joinder. Right, so I need to talk to a Crown prosecutor regarding a private prosecution of this individual for aiding and abetting fraud by enticing someone into being a legal name, which is Crown property. That's a fact.
Okay. So a ticket was issued, and you would like to meet with the prosecutor, correct?
Oh, yeah. I want to sort this out so I can set up a private prosecution of this police officer for committing fraud and felonies.
Okay.
I actually, just to let you know, I do have a legal name given to me by the Crown, like a bar card, if you will. So I'm going to be going around prosecuting these guys now.
Okay. Okay, sir, so if you would like to set up...
Ma'am, it is ma'am. I'm transgendered. Do not assume anything based on a voice. Thank you very much. I already corrected that once. I will not correct it again. So let's start again.
Okay. If you would like to schedule an early resolution, a meeting with the prosecutor, option number 2, you tick the option off. You can mail it in.
No, I don't do that. That's sorry, hon. That's mail fraud. I don't do that, nor will the individuals that I talk to. No, this goes a lot deeper than I think you're aware of.
Okay.
I just need to talk to a Crown prosecutor and sort them out. I just need, or a justice of the peace to set up a private prosecution. That's all I'm calling for. This cop is committing fraud. Constable Scary.
So you would like to
privately
lay a
prosecute them. No, prosecute.
Okay.
I'm not laying a complaint. This is a prosecution, hon. I have a legal name to use, and I plan on using it. I'm going to put some of these guys behind bars, and maybe the rest of the system will wake up to this.
Okay.
I've already talked to the SIU, by the way, just so you know. I've got a lot of people in this loop right now. So if you got a prosecutor handy, I'd love to talk to one.
No, I'm sorry. The prosecutor has left for the day.
What's a good time to call back then so I can talk to this individual and set them straight on what they're doing?
You have to set up an appointment, sir.
I don't have, ma'am, it is ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
I'm sorry. Yes,
that has just nailed you with the sexual discrimination. So let's keep going here. Let's just keep going here, ma'am. That's the third time I've had to correct you on that. That is now discrimination.
That's correct.
That is discrimination. Do you want added to this list? Now we're going to talk like rational human beings. You can refer to me as Jane Doe, if that makes it easier for you. Yes, the voice is confusing.
Okay.
So I need information regarding getting a hold of a private prosecutor, Crown prosecutor, someone who's committing fraud for the Crown, so that I can set up a private prosecution with a justice of the peace in my court, because I have a legal name to use now, you see.
Okay. The Burlington office is where the prosecutors work out of. That is the head office for the prosecutors.
You have a number?
You can. Yes, I do. Prosecution. The phone number.
Let me grab a pen.
The phone number.
Got a pen now. The phone number is?
Okay. 905 637 7790.
90. Okay.
Okay, that is where the prosecutors work out of that office. You can call there. I can give you an extension.
Please.
6413, and you can speak to Michelle, and hopefully she can set something up for you.
Okay, now, this number, will I be able to reach a justice of the peace through this number at the court to see when they're going to be in their office so that I can see them personally?
No, this is the prosecution phone number that I just gave you.
Oh, no, I'm talking where you are. Are there justices of the peace in that office?
We do have justice of the peace strictly here for court, though.
Well, no, they have an obligation to someone who actually knows who they are and has a legal name and stands in honor with it. You see, the system just screwed itself, and this is the start of this, okay? because this fraud has been going on. It's been going on against you as well. So this is for you as well.
Okay.
Okay? I'm done with these guys walking around with their guns, scaring people, enticing them, literally killing them legally by asking for a legal name that is Crown property. It's an instant state of fraud that they entice somebody into. Now, this cop, his name is Constable Scary, and his number is 9130. Just want that on the record for you, because I know you record these calls.
Okay. You might be able to, if it's some kind of complaint or something.
No, no complaint.
Like to...
It's charges. It's straight.
Okay, charges.
Straight to jail, baby.
Okay. There are just of the peace at the criminal court.
And
I don't know what days. You can certainly call over there. The criminal court, the phone number is 905 878 4165. And the extension there is 3428.
3428. Well, thank you very much. Thank you. That's all I needed was direction as to where to go to next, because I know you're just answering phones and you've got a tough job as it is. I just don't, as you can tell, I just don't take any nonsense from anyone, especially when there's this level of crime going on around the world. No, it's done. The Crown Corporation is toast. It's a dead fiction. It is done. It is keeping everybody enslaved through mortgages and you name it. So this is for you, and when you see this come out, and you will be grateful, because we're all slaves to this system. Well, a few of us got out, and I'm one of them. And it's time to start charging these guys. No more getting away with it. That's literally getting away with murder, with intention, premeditated. A human being can be a legal person can be a human being. You ask for a legal name, you kill them, literally in the legal sense. Okay, just letting you know, that's a little bit of a tidbit of, something to jump around.
Okay, thank you.
Much love.
Okay.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.